Crossbows that elevate the hunting experience to new heights integrate cutting-edge features and precision engineering. These advanced models often boast innovative technologies like high-velocity cams, adjustable stocks, and enhanced accuracy mechanisms. With compact designs and powerful performance, they redefine archery's capabilities, offering increased speed, accuracy, and customization options. These next-level crossbows cater to serious hunters and enthusiasts seeking superior performance, pushing the boundaries of traditional hunting equipment with their state-of-the-art features. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. Ravin R26 Crossbow is a compact and powerful hunting weapon that offers exceptional performance and accuracy. With its compact size and lightweight design, the R26 is incredibly maneuverable and easy to handle. Measuring just 26 inches in length and weighing only 6.5 pounds, this crossbow is perfect for hunting in tight spaces and on the go. The R26 boasts an impressive shooting speed of 400 feet per second (FPS), delivering devastating power and impressive downrange accuracy. The helicoil technology used in the R26's design ensures that the cams rotate 340 degrees, resulting in a compact and narrow profile while still generating a substantial amount of power. The frictionless flight system reduces friction and eliminates the need for a traditional rail, further enhancing accuracy and increasing bolt speed. The Ravin R26 features a fully integrated Versadraw cocking system, making it quick and easy to cock the crossbow. The track trigger firing system ensures a crisp and consistent trigger pull, enhancing accuracy and shot placement. The crossbow comes with a built-in illuminated scope, providing clear and precise aiming points, even in low-light conditions. The package also includes a quiver and 6 Ravin arrows, allowing you to start hunting right away. The Ravin R26 crossbow is built with high-quality materials and precision engineering, ensuring durability and reliability in the field. With its compact size, impressive speed, and advanced features, the Ravin R26 is a top-tier choice for hunters who demand power, accuracy, and ease of use in their crossbow. Number 4. Mission SUB-1 XR Crossbow is a high-performance and feature-packed crossbow that delivers exceptional accuracy, power, and versatility. Designed for hunters and shooters who demand precision, the SUB-1 XR combines advanced technology with a user-friendly design. With a shooting speed of 410 feet per second (FPS), this crossbow delivers impressive power and downrange accuracy. The SUB-1 XR features Mission's patented benchmark fire control technology, which ensures a consistent and crisp trigger pull with zero creep. This technology, coupled with the sub-1-inch accuracy guarantee at 100 yards, allowed shooters to confidently take longer shots with confidence. The crossbow is equipped with a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry and maneuver in any hunting situation. The adjustable stock and cheek piece offer a customizable fit for shooters of different sizes and preferences. The SUB-1 XR also features a built-in cocking device, allowing for easy and silent cocking without the need for additional accessories. The package includes a premium Pro Shot trigger, an illuminated scope, and a quiver, providing all the necessary components for a successful hunt. The Mission SUB-1 XR crossbow is built with durability and reliability in mind, featuring high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Additionally, the crossbow is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind for the shooter. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a target shooter, the Mission SUB-1 XR crossbow offers exceptional performance and accuracy, making it a top choice for those seeking a reliable and precise crossbow experience. Number 3. Excalibur Micro 340 TD Crossbow Package Realtree Timber is an outstanding choice for hunters looking for a compact and high-performing crossbow. With its takedown TD design, this crossbow can be easily disassembled and reassembled in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for transportation and storage. Despite its compact size, the Micro 340 TD packs a punch, delivering arrows at speeds up to 340 feet per second (FPS) with exceptional accuracy. The Realtree timber camouflage pattern ensures effective concealment in a variety of hunting environments. The crossbow features Excalibur's renowned durability, with a sturdy and reliable construction that can withstand the demands of hunting. It is equipped with an ergonomic stock and adjustable buttstock, providing a comfortable and personalized shooting experience for hunters of all sizes. The Micro 340 TD comes with Excalibur's Charger crank system, which allows for effortless and silent cocking, eliminating the need for manual effort or additional cocking aids. The package includes an illuminated TACT 100 scope, offering clear aiming points, even in low light conditions. It also comes with a quiver and 3 quill arrows, ensuring you have everything you need for your next hunt. With its combination of compact size, impressive speed, and user-friendly features, the Excalibur Micro 340 TD crossbow package in Realtree timber is an excellent choice for hunters who prioritize versatility, convenience, and performance in their crossbow. Whether you're hunting from a tree stand or stalking game through dense brush, this crossbow will deliver the power and accuracy needed for a successful hunt. Number 2. Tenpoint Shadow NXT is a high-quality and feature-rich crossbow that offers exceptional performance and accuracy. Built with precision engineering and innovative technology, the Shadow NXT is designed to meet the needs of serious hunters. With a shooting speed of 380 feet per second (FPS), this crossbow delivers impressive power and downrange accuracy. The compact and lightweight design of the Shadow NXT allows for easy maneuverability in tight hunting situations. The crossbow features Tenpoint's ACU draw system, which provides a quiet and efficient cocking mechanism, reducing the effort required to cock the crossbow and ensuring consistent performance. The Shadow NXT is equipped with a machined aluminum riser and an ergonomic stock, offering stability and comfort during shooting. The package includes a 10-point Rangemaster Pro scope, which provides clear and precise aiming points, even in low-light conditions. The crossbow also features a built-in string stop system, which reduces vibration and noise to enhance stealth on the hunt. The Shadow NXT comes with a 3-arrow quiver and 3 Pro Elite carbon arrows ready to use right out of the box. With its durability, accuracy, and user-friendly features, the Tenpoint Shadow NXT is a top-tier choice for hunters who demand performance and reliability in their crossbow. Whether you're pursuing big game or targeting smaller prey, this crossbow will deliver the power and precision needed for a successful hunt. Number 1. Killer Instinct SWAT XP Crossbow is a high-performance and feature-packed hunting crossbow that delivers power, accuracy, and versatility. With a blazing shooting speed of 415 feet per second (FPS), this crossbow offers exceptional downrange accuracy and devastating impact. The SWAT XP features a compact and lightweight design, making it maneuverable and easy to handle in various hunting situations. Equipped with a narrow frame and an adjustable buttstock, this crossbow ensures a comfortable and customized fit for shooters of different sizes. The innovative TriggerTech frictionless release technology provides a crisp and consistent trigger pull, enhancing accuracy and shot placement. The SWAT XP is also equipped with an integrated dead silent crank, allowing for silent and effortless cocking. The crossbow comes with an illuminated LUNIX-4S32 scope, providing clear and precise aiming points in varying lighting conditions. The package includes a side-mount quiver, 3 SWAT XP bolts, and a rope cocker, giving you everything you need to start hunting right away. The Killer Instinct SWAT XP crossbow is built with durability in mind, featuring a rugged construction and high-quality components. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind for the shooter. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a beginner, the Killer Instinct SWAT XP crossbow offers exceptional performance, accuracy, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and powerful crossbow for their hunting adventures.